thing that makes me mad the most is when players like Mike Sale, Jalen Powell, Aaron Qualls, they out here being lazy every day. We trying to win a state championship, baby, so we got to get it together. That's me, Coach Stella, giving you my pet peeve and what makes me mad. That's it.
The thing that makes me mad would be weakness, lying, and stealing. And my biggest pet peeve is Aaron Qualls with that fake gold chain on.
What really makes me mad would be a threat to my family or someone close to me or someone lying, I guess.
That is like when you got a whole bunch of friends, right? And they all like 6'1", and you know I'm still in like 5'2". Yeah. 5'2". You know what I'm saying? I'm still growing, you know what I'm saying? I feel like they shouldn't discriminate me for my height. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying so hard just to make it in this world, man. You know what I'm saying? I can fall down the stairs, you know what I'm saying, not even hit my head because I'm so short. I just stop on my feet already, you know? And it just hurt, you know?
Mad. It's like, it made me mad. It's like when people be in the hallway just standing around like I ain't trying to get to the 3rd floor for class. Like it's just unnecessary. They just stop, hug some hair. Like you look at Mello, he like 12 months older than me, and he look like a granddad or something. And like I don't got no chin hair. I'm just over here scrubbing my chin, and I don't feel nothing. Yeah, Chance too. He the same way. Like I feel where you coming from.
What make me mad is like he over here talking about nothing, like, bro, move, bro. Like, and this injury is like, it's like this injury won't go away. Like, I don't understand. Like, it's my senior year and stuff, you know. I'm out here like Randy Moss, and like I'm still like grinding. Like, I don't know.
Man,
it's permanent. I don't understand.
Man, what make me mad is his coaches, man.
And Coach Arnold, like sometimes.
Hey, yeah, Coach Arnold, he be peeing me off sometimes, and that make me real mad. He like 6. All right, what makes me mad is losing. I hate losing.
What makes me mad is when you got a girl, right? You love her, right? And then she leave you for another dude, right?
Yeah.
Then you get all heated. You want to go kick his butt, right? And then, yeah. Yeah.
It's losing. I hate to lose. That's why I try not to lose. Try to push my teammates to the limit so we don't lose again.
What make me mad when Coach Peterson had me run for no reason?
What I hate is when people ask me the same question over and over again, and I ignore them. So you should know what that means.
What makes me mad? What makes me mad personally as a defensive player is the offense gets all the credit. You know, the quarterback gets all the credit. Lamar knows what I mean.
The thing that makes me mad is the whirlpool that's in the varsity house. It's terrible. It's 40 degrees. You have to sit in there for 10 minutes, but the coaches lie and put you in there for 20. So that's the thing that I hate most is the whirlpool.
What makes me mad? What makes me mad is hard-headed kids that don't want to listen and they wind up getting in trouble because they didn't listen.
What makes me mad? People shouting for unnatural reasons. I don't know. What makes you mad, Jake Amrine?
What makes me mad is when I'm already in a ticked-off mood at Harding High School and I'm just trying to get to my next class and whatnot, and there's these people just walking so slow, and they just stop right in the middle. They get their big gang talking in the middle of the hallway.
Oh my God.
That really grinds my gears.
Nothing worse than that.
What makes me mad is going through the drive-thru and them making me wait for my food when they know it's supposed to be express.
What makes you mad is losing. I hate losing. What makes you mad, Lamar?
What makes me mad are light-skinned people because I'm dark.
Oh, that's not Lamar.
That's dark. How about you stepping on out of here?
Because you dark.
Just because.
You just got a white check.
This about the 3rd video you just messed up. Just cuz.
You know, guys, I know I was the man last year. I had a 40-yard run. Now this year, I'm a slouch on JV, you know, not being played that much. I only play on special teams. That's what really makes me mad.